Hey there, my name is Dewey Jones. I'm a Colorado off-roader, and what I do is I film trail guides that show off Colorado, but this is a different kind of video. My work today told me that I need to move and I need to leave this awesome apartment. So yeah, it's kind of a unique situation. I am going to be moving into a unfinished off-road camper. I might show you a little bit of it today, but I'm trying to get an idea if people want to see me try to live in this thing, considering most of my friends say I am a horrible overlander. Yeah, so here's a little clip of the off-road camper if you want to learn more. If you want to see more, let me know. And this is just a short little video seeing if there's interest for me dying in a off-road camper.